It has been so easy and so fast. Having booked this luxury villa for my family holidays makes me feel like I've found the needle in the haystack. I am happy I came across this impressive accommodation just searching on the internet. It feels like home, cozy and warm, but at the same time I can enjoy tasteful details and stunning views to the wide open sea. The island's light, so delicate, sunbeams caressing my skin, an awesome sensation. At the plane, I was already thinking about the feeling of having our private swimming pool. The kids are going to love it. Tomorrow when they arrive, they will be surprised. I have to show my wife the quiet cove I discovered just 5 minutes away, walking distance from the villa. Finally, the whole family together enjoying nature and fresh air. The intensity of blue, white and green is overwhelming. Being here makes me feel alive. Ancient procedures, natural smells, Mediterranean flavors, joy of living all in one place. Fresh and delicious fruits, exotic colors, amazing experiences. I have planned a welcome dinner for tomorrow evening. It is a pleasure to cook in the sophisticated and well-equipped kitchen. I have fallen in love with it. After dinner, we will relax on the comfortable couches, reading, surfing on the internet, watching a movie on the big screen. Maybe we could play pool afterwards. I bet my wife is going to beat me again. Sunset becomes more significant watching it from the spacious balcony. I will never forget this inspiring views. We will take the kids to bed with a goodnight kiss and have some time for us. I can't imagine anything better than drinking a champagne glass surrounded by untouched nature. This house is more than a house. I love the mixture between its traditional atmosphere and the modern and stylish decoration. Tomorrow, new experiences, feelings and adventures. These are the perfect holidays. Days like this immersed in privacy and comfort, surrounded by open spaces and wild nature.